Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to draw a simple floor plan using multiline. First I go to application, then I go to new. From new, templates, open, go to sheets, AutoCAD architecture metric, then go to model space. Next, set my drawing limit, limit, enter. Lower limit is always 0, 0. Oh, let me set unit first, un, enter. Precision should be 0. Units is already in millimeters. Limits, limits, enter. 10,000, comma, 10,000, enter. Z, enter. A, enter. Rectangle, let this be 3,600 by 3,600, enter. C over copy, enter. Specify the base point. The base point is here. Rectangle, left click, shift at 1,500, comma, 2,600, enter. Move, and for move, enter. Left click here, drop that there. Now I want to move everything. M, enter. REC for rectangle, enter. Left click, shift at 4,200, comma, 3,600, enter. Move, M for move, enter. REC for rectangle, enter. Go up to wall, that seems okay. Center justify, turn on auto mode, enter. Space bar to reactivate, enter. Space bar to reactivate, enter, space bar to reactivate, space bar to reactivate, space bar to reactivate. Now click onto the wall, right click, select similar, M for move, enter, escape. It's pretty much how I draw a floor plan using AutoCAD architecture. Now I'm going to use multi-line for persons who are using the traditional AutoCAD. For that I type ML for multi-line, enter. Go down to justification, click 0, go across to scale, type 150, enter. It is now set. Go across and click space bar, space bar, space bar, space bar, space bar,